Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyles and beauty videos. In today's video, as you guys can see from the title, we are going to be doing a never have I ever question and answer, and this is a collab with Jelani Star TV. Just want to say thank you so much for reaching out and collabing with me on this video. It has been a long time coming. We have been planning this video for a while, but we're finally gonna make it. So today's video is going to be my Vlogmas day 8 video. So I know it's again not a vlog, but I did say that for this Vlogmas I will be doing sit down videos as well as vlogs. So if you guys have not yet checked out my vlogs, go ahead, I will link the playlist up here and you guys can go ahead and check that out after you've done watch this video. As well, don't forget to go over to Jelani's channel to look at the questions that I sent him and watch his video and tell him that Shakay sent you. Alright guys, without further ado, let us get into the video.
It ain't even cold outside, now where I'm from.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Welcome to this Christmas. Yeah, see it goes.
What we did, we asked each other to find 10 questions and to send them. So I'm gonna be playing his question, like I play one question and then answer, and play one and then answer. So that's what we're gonna be doing for this video. And so our first question is
Number 1, never have I ever stolen food from somebody's plate when they weren't looking.
So stolen food from somebody's plate, I don't know if I've ever done that. Well, even if I've done it, they know, because like me don't know if it keep a straight face over to them something there, so I think they know. So yes, I have. I'll say yes, I have, because I think I have, but I don't think I've done it and they don't know about it. So
Number 2, never have I ever got into a fight.
no, have never gotten into a fight. I doubt I've ever done that. I used to tell people, like I used to go through a stage, right, that I was so angry. Like if you talk too hard to me and I get angry, me start ball. That's how angry maybe. But that was a stage I was going through, and I told anybody, like, if you don't get me that angry, you're gonna get the wrath of everybody who has ever angered me, because I never fight nobody and you're gonna get all of that. So if me fight you, y'all get all of them the anger that we would have. But I'm not like that anymore, so no, I've never fight in my life.
Number 3, never have I ever eaten something cold because I was too lazy to heat it up.
A million times, yes. Yeah, I eat cold chicken, eat cold. I've eaten a lot of things cold just because I'm too lazy to heat it up, especially chicken, fried chicken, especially chicken. Me know that for sure, especially chicken.
Number 4, never have I ever skipped a class.
Yes, I have. I think I've done that in college though. I doubt I've ever done that in high school, but I have done it in college. So yes, I have.
Number 5, never have I ever fallen down in public.
Yes, I have fallen down in public, and I tell you, embarrassment, trust me, it come like say you just want to go up, you just up and swallow you. That's how embarrassing it is. But yeah, I have.
Number 6, never have I ever been lost.
I have been lost, but is it one of me a drive? Oh well, yeah, I have been lost, like when we make up on taxi and so the dashboard come off, so I have been lost before.
Number 7, never have I ever greeted someone I thought was someone else.
People, this happened to me like enough time. Like you see somebody and say, oh, that's somebody, and you call the person, and then when I really look into it, another person where I did think it is. it has happened to me. Comment down below if that has happened to you, because it has happened to me and it's very embarrassing.
Number 8. Never have I ever sent a text message to the wrong person.
Oh yes, I have, and then end up having to hurry up and delete it. Let me know in the comments down below, have this ever happened to you, and then when you try to delete it, you can't only delete it for yourself because they see it already. Oh my god, that has happened to me as well. So
Number 9. Never have I ever lied about my age.
Ever lied about my age? Yes, I have. You know, when some people annoy you, that's one incident. Like people are bothering you, and if you know exactly how old you are. I've done that. Plus like when I was a little bit younger, them usually say like for some games you have to be a certain age to download some game or whatever, or if you sign up for some site. Yeah, I lie about that.
Number 10. Never have I ever lied that one of my family members was on TV.
No, I don't think I've ever done that. Lied about, no, I don't think I've ever done that part at all. Alright guys, so that is the end of our never have I ever tag. Go ahead guys and hit this video up with a thumbs up, comment something down below, share with your friends, click that notification bell so you're notified every time I make a video. And don't forget to go over to Jelani's video and comment under his video Shakay sent you, so that he knows you are from my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.